It seems there is a new song rising on the charts in some places. No, not exactly a top 40 song, at least not yet, but that may yet change. The artist of the song is Gaia, and a radio wave recording appears to have captured the chorus of our planet. That is the sound of the Earth singing, as recorded by the Storm Probe mission, a couple of satellites investigating the famous Van Allen belts, intense radiation zones that surround our planet like a donut. The Storm probes, launched in August, are mapping the density of charged particles. The whale song is an audio rendering of radio waves captured by the probes and caused by the two Van Allen belts, inner and outer. You don't actually hear audio in space, of course, but the radio waves, known as chorus, are for real.